Hello students, today we discuss, today we continue the same problems in liquidation of companies, 4 marks problems. Before discussing further problems, here we try to understand the order of payments made by the liquidator. Students, assume the situation like this. The liquidator realized all the amounts. Now he has to follow some order of payments. He has the amount. He has to distribute this amount on various people. How he will distribute this amount on various people, that we have to understand. First, out of the proceeds of realization, first he will incur the amount for liquidation expenses. Students, what are these liquidation expenses? Simple. To liquidate the company, we have to pay some liquidation expenses or some realization expenses. Without incurring these expenses, you cannot liquidate the company or you cannot realize the assets. So while liquidation of company, when you are going to realize the assets or when you are paying some legal expenses for this purpose of liquidation, you have to pay first these amounts, liquidation expenses. Next, liquidator remuneration. Students, liquidator is appointed to see the liquidation process and to liquidate the company. For the services rendered by him, we have to pay some remuneration to him. Already I discussed this concept. Now next, preferential creditors. Students, next payment you have to make preferential creditors. Next, debenture holders. Next, unsecured creditors. Next, preference share holders. Next, equity share holders. Last, we have the liquidator will distribute amount to equity share holders. Students, keep this order of payments in your mind and we will discuss more problems. Now, look at problem number 3. Page number 23. Problem number 3. Here look at students. Okay. A liquidator is entitled to receive remuneration at 2% of the assets realized and 3% of the amount distributed among the unsecured creditors. Students, if you observe, in this problem, liquidator is receiving his remuneration in 2 ways. 1. 2% on assets realized and 3% on the amount distributed among the unsecured creditors. Okay, students? The assets realized 25 lakhs. So what are the total assets realized? 25 lakhs. Against which payment was made as follows. So out of these 25 lakhs, how he is distributing the payments? First, he paid liquidation expenses 25,000, preferential creditors 75,000 and secured creditors 10 lakhs. Calculate the remuneration payable to the liquidator. Simple problem, students. Now look at. So first we have to prepare this statement to know the amount available with the liquidator. Okay, first look at students, assets realized. how much assets realized? If you observe, assets realized is 25 lakhs. Assets realized is 25 lakhs, but whereas if you observe here, we have secured creditors. Secured creditors means